Three people have been reported missing after a mudslide swept through a remote location in western Colorado Sunday evening. Officials estimate the mudslide to be about 250 feet deep, 2 miles wide, and 4 miles long. It's currently sliding along a road east of the city of Grand Junction. No damage has been reported. According to the Mesa County Sheriff's latest update, the slide contains an entire ridge and the area remains unstable. Rescue teams had been at the scene since Sunday night, but officials say it was too difficult to search for any missing persons in the dark. KOAA reports it had been raining in the area Sunday, and that likely contributed to the mudslide, but a definite cause has not yet been identified. According to the Denver Post, police say they were alerted to the slide after someone called in describing, quote, hearing a noise that sounded much like a freight train. For Newsy, I'm Elizabeth Hagedorn. Multiple sources, a broader view.